We start with monthly chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And based on monthly chart, if you refer to our analysis, we had this line since the price was within here, and we mentioned we want to see the breakout of the 24. That means we are looking at this point, we are looking at this correction, and we want to see the breakout of the 24. Then we from there we can look for 30, 36, and the all-time high. Okay, that's mean the breakout of the 24 at this point is very important for us. This is how what we can see based on monthly chart. And if we move to weekly, similar explanation. All right, and how we can look for trade, that's mean we're looking for buy. And if we move to daily chart, based on daily chart, I don't see any trade setup. The only thing is what we will get here. And this one, if turns to deeper correction similar to what we have here, we can look for running flat for continuation. Okay, because if there is a continuation as a corrective, then mostly we cannot get the proper trade setup unless we see the deeper correction similar to what we have here. All right, similar to what we have here, or we see the sharp move breakout of this part. Now we're looking at this correction and we want to see how it formed and how we can look for the trade setup. It doesn't mean the price cannot continue. The only thing is how we can look for the proper trade setup. Anyway, we move to lower time frame. First things based on lower time frame, we see is losing the momentum, and even at this point, we see the continuation as a corrective with the breakout of desktop following by divergence. Then we need to be quite careful. This is the reason why I mentioned if we get the daily correction, deeper correction is better for us. Okay, then if there is a continuation as a corrective following by divergence, we are not really interested to look for buy unless we see the breakout of this correction following by sharp move flag. Then yes, we will take the trade and we look for the flag based on 1 hour chart. Then from there we look for the trade setup. Okay, I mean we look for the trade, but at this point we want to see. That's mean we prefer. For me, I prefer to wait to see what we'll get here, either the deeper correction or the breakout as a sharp move. Then from there, I will make a decision whether I should look for the trade or not. But at this point, I don't see any trade setup, and I'm not really interested to look for the trade. And even if we move to 1 hour chart, similar explanation. Anyway, if we move to higher time frame, if we move to weekly chart, all right, we can look for buy, and we're looking to see the breakout of the 24. Can we consider this one as a flat for the next drop? Technically, we can look at the chart in this way, but at this point, we are not looking at this one in this way. I mean, we are not looking at this one as a flat. If the overall market start to continue, then mostly we can expect to see the breakout of the 24. Okay, the only thing is how the price can break this stuff. Then from there, any opportunity for buy from there, we'll take it. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.